All right, what's up, weirdos? Good morning. So, a little bit of a correction today. It's almost like I told you yesterday and the day before that we were going to see a couple of minor corrections throughout the month of October. Nothing to be worried about, nothing to write home about, guys. We're going to have a look at the Bitcoin chart. We're going to have a look at some ZBEC news as well. So, make sure you stick around for that. Yeah, so let's get into it. Let's see what's going on here. Um, Again, another good DC opportunity across the board, guys. Couple things that are green, but just minorly, stuff like Wormhole, Nadix, for example. Other than that, just a DCA opportunity, right? Across the board. Whatever your favorite projects are, guys. I mean, it's not financial advice. You do you, but um, whatever your favorite projects are, whatever projects you believe in, whether it's, AI, decentralized finance, what layer ones, whatever it is, whatever your favorite is, right? ZBAC, Onyx Coin, Jasmy, so Miria, so on and so forth. Now would be a good time, again, not financial advice, to be scooping up because October is just getting started, my friends. We're just getting started. Um, Looking across the board, stuff like, Stronghold below 2 cents, 1 cent four, fantastic opportunity, right? Alchemy Pay, Axelar, Virtuals, Crow has corrected significantly, 19 cents, right? There's some XLM, some great opportunities, 38-cent XLM, guys, right? H bar, the list goes on and on. Let's go a little bit broader. Top 100. What else do we have? You know, I don't know about something like Zcash. It's pumped pretty hard. It's probably not done correcting, but stuff like Pith, you guys. Pith at 15 cents. Crazy, crazy deal. World Liberty Financial. Algorand at 22 cents. Sign me up, man. Sign me up. So, yeah, take advantage of the opportunities, guys. These prices are not going to last. October's going to continue. And about 4 weeks from now, you're going to be looking back on why did I try to wait for lower prices? Man, was I foolish. All right, let's go have a look at the Bitcoin chart. All right, so Bitcoin has come down perfectly and tested support at 121,000 even. And so far, so good. It actually wicked all the way down to $120,792 on Binance. But we're back at 121,565 climbing. I would expect us to climb back up and try to close above $123,319 support level, if possible, right? But if we don't, my next level of closing would be about 122,200. And if we do not hold support here at 121, then you're probably looking at a drop down to 119,965, which is the high from back here in July, all through the summer, right? All through July, we had this resistance level. Significant level, we could be retesting that as support. If not, if that doesn't hold, well, then 118,675 would bring us down to, yeah, right where support was, right there. So, but I don't think we'll come down quite that far, guys. If we do test 119,965, wouldn't surprise me, but I'm hoping we close back up here above 123,319. Those are your key levels that you're going to want to watch on Bitcoin today. We got a lot of time left in this day, so bulls have every opportunity to step in and try to push us back to the upside. And here's one of the reasons why I believe that we could make that move back to the upside. We have a lot of shorts piled up here on the daily time frame. We could move all the way back up to 127,600 and we would liquidate 3.68 billion. I don't think we're going to go quite that high, to be honest with you, but a move back up around, let's say 124K, it's going to liquidate 1.5 billion, right? So that's what I'd be looking for. Maybe a little bit of a liquidation on clearing out um, some of these shorts, right? Don't be surprised to see a short squeeze happen because we've just flushed out today quite a bit of the longs. So maybe we move back to the upside and we move out some of the shorts. Or we let them continue to build up till tomorrow, maybe the next day, and then we liquidate them. But we'll see. Quick shout out, guys, to one of our partners, BTCC. Join our trading challenge today. You can win yourself MacBook Airs, Apple Vision Pros, Rolexes, PlayStation 5s, Tesla Model 3s, or Lamborghini Urus. Check it out today, guys, using our link down below. Join our team. Join our trading challenge. Let's see what you got. All right, we got this from Colin Talks Crypto. It says, Bitcoin breakout of the megaphone pattern following the completion of the inverse head and shoulders. 140K is the price target, which I've been calling for. As you guys know, if you've been here for a while, I've been calling for that for about 3 weeks now. It says, open air, no resistance levels above, insanely bullish. We've all waited for what's coming. Let's do this. Bitcoin will pump first, alts will follow. So far, so good, guys. Things look great. Minor correction today, and the only reason we're doing that is because you have to build levels of consolidation for support on the way up. So maybe we consolidate for a day or two where we are, and then we continue up. But the target by the end of this month for me, $140,000. So that's what I'm watching for, big picture. And yes, altcoins are going to continue melting their way upwards as Bitcoin makes this historic climb. Let's talk some ZBEC, guys. Now we got this from Louis. He says, so ZBEC Network 2025 in October, it says here, partnership potential Ripple integration. So we know that in the spaces with ZBEC earlier this year, they were talking just about 2 or 3 months ago, they were talking a lot about a product launch in collaboration with Ripple. Now, they said they were hoping to have an announcement about something along those lines with Ripple by the fall. Well, October, we are in the fall, starting to transition November into the winter. So are we going to see an announcement about a partnership or collaboration, product launch, if you will, between ZBEC and Ripple? That's going to be massive, guys, massive. We got more ZBEC stuff to get into, but quick shout out to Decent Biometric Wallet. Not your keys, not your coins. You can swap, take profits, and even stake your crypto right on your Decent wallet. Use our link down below. Get yourself a 2-for-1 deal on the Biometric Wallet today. Don't sleep on it, guys, because once these deals are gone, they're gone. All right, we got this from, of course, Crypto Chrome. ZBEC update. ZBEC is gearing up to merge real-time payments with staking. You heard that right, guys. Everybody loves yield. Let's get it.
ZBCN ZBEC fam, something massive is moving under the surface. It feels like the calm before a wave that's about to reshape the shoreline. Recently, on a live X Spaces call, ZBEC confirmed what everyone's been waiting for. The super app is coming this Q4, but this isn't just another app on your phone. It's an all-in-one hub for payments, cards, streaming value, and now staking baked right in. Think of it like this. Today's apps are buckets that hold your money. The ZBEC super app is a river. It keeps value flowing non-stop in real time anywhere in the world. And when you add staking, it's like planting trees along that river. Your ZBCN doesn't just move, it grows, creating passive streams of rewards while powering a system that never sleeps. Think bigger for a second. Staking isn't just about yield, it's about commitment. Every token locked signals belief in the movement, belief that finance should flow at the speed of life instead of waiting for old systems to catch up. Would you trust a system like this to handle your money every second of the day? Would you stake your ZBCN knowing you're fueling the next leap forward? This is where it gets tense, because once people see money working in motion, there's no way back to the old way. The question isn't if this changes things, it's how fast. And the bright side? ZBEC is putting that control in your hands. Every ZBCN holder now has the choice to be early, to lead, and to build the framework for what comes next. The spark is lit, and it's only getting brighter. Want more crypto?
Guys, later today, I do have another video coming out talking about the importance and the impact of having staking in the ecosystem of a project, right? It's called TVL, which is total value locked. Now we're going to talk more about that. If you want to know more about it and how the TVL in the ZBEC ecosystem could skyrocket the price, make sure you watch that video coming out this afternoon. You're not going to want to miss it, guys. Are you new to crypto? Is this your first altcoin season, your first blow off top of any crypto cycle? Well, if so, guys, listen, there can be a lot of difficulties when it comes to knowing when you should be exiting and how you should be exiting. If you need help, if you need guidance, if you need education on how to handle this space properly and get out of it with your profits intact, true life-changing wealth for yourself and your families, join me and thousands of other members today over in our Patreon community, where we help you with exit strategies, profit-taking plans, portfolio structure, knowing what you should be buying, what you shouldn't be buying, when you should be selling, and how you should be selling it. If you don't know how to identify where liquidity is in the market, there's a very strong possibility that your exit price or your sell orders won't fill, right? Some people make the mistake of thinking, and it's funny because I talked about this in another video, and there's always people who make the comments in the comment section that don't understand, and they think they found some sort of workaround, some little, little cheat code or something. So when I say to you that there has to be a buyer for every sell order, right? That is the facts, my friend. So if there's more if there's more sellers than there are buyers, your sell order, the odds are it's not going to fill. And I've had a couple of people over the last couple of days say in the comment section, well, I'll just convert from whatever to, from ZBEC to a stable coin. Guys, that's not a cheat code. You didn't think of something no one's thought of before, right? Converting your crypto from from a crypto to a stable coin, it's still a sell order. It's just user friendly on the exchange. You still have to have someone on the other end of that order who's giving you the stable coin money, right? It's not a cheat code. You can't go to convert and outsmart the fact that you need a buyer for every seller, right? And some people think that that's the case. You're going to find you're very, very wrong when it comes to that. There's no cheat code. There's no way around liquidity. Liquidity is liquidity. If there's none, there's none, right? You can't. The exchange, do you think the exchange is buying your crypto back from you? So they sold you ZBEC at a fraction of a penny, and the exchange is buying your ZBEC back from you at, I don't know, 10 cents? Does that sound like a sustainable business model to you? Sell crypto to people low and buy it back from them high by them using the convert option? It's not a cheat code. Using the convert option is not a way around the fact that there has to be a buyer on the other end of that sell order, right? And I know I'm going off on a little bit of a rant here, but people need to understand. These people think that they can find some cheat way around the way that these markets work, and it's just not the case, right? You're going to find very quickly, if you think you're smarter than the market, that when you try to use the convert option, I'll tell you what happens, okay? If there's no buy orders and you're trying to sell, let's say you're trying to sell 10 million ZBEC, right? And you're like, I'm going to use the convert option. I'm smarter than the market. You know what happens? It limits you on how much ZBEC you can sell, right? Because there's limited orders. So you're trying to sell 10 million ZBEC. It'll let you sell 50 coins, 50, right? Out of 10 million, it'll let you sell like 50, right? And you might think I'm wrong. You might think I'm lying to you. But I'll tell you right now, every single mistake in this space I've made. This is my third cycle. I'll tell you right now, in the last cycle, I thought I was smarter than the market too. I'll use the convert option with my Shiba Inu, and I'll just dump it all on the market, right? Using the convert option. That way I don't need a buy order to fill my sell order. Yeah, they let me sell $50 worth of Shiba Inu at a time. I sat there for hours and hours and hours trying to sell off all of my Shiba Inu. So if you think you're smarter than the market and that you're going to use some sort of cheat code to use the convert option, it's not going to work, man. It's not going to work. You're not smarter than the market. People need to realize this, right? Get a proper education. Stop trying to be don't be lazy. Stop trying to willy-nilly your way through this and become a multimillionaire by doing as little amount of work as possible, right? Does that make sense to you? Do no work and become a millionaire. Does that make sense to you? Does that sound like something that happens in life? Right? Come on. Right? So anyway, guys, I wanted to get that out there because these people, it's not to mock these people who think that they found some sort of cheat code. I'm trying to help you before you screw yourself, because if you try that, if you try to go that path, you're going to find out at the time, now you're screwed, right? And now you can only sell $50 worth of your millions of dollars worth of ZBEC at a time, right? And you're going to get stuck holding your bag for 4 more years. I'm trying to save you 4 years of your life by telling you, listen, I've already learned this lesson. I already thought, I was thinking like you. I thought I was smarter than the market. I thought I could just use the convert option and it would be easy and it would be no problem and I would get out of it unscathed. Didn't work. It didn't work for me. It's not going to work for you. Stop trying to outsmart the market. You're not smarter than the market. I'm not smarter than the market. Nobody is, right? So I'm not making fun of you. I'm not mocking you. I'm trying to help you save yourself 4 years of holding your crypto before you can have another opportunity to try to sell it, right? Or don't listen to me, but don't come crying to me later, because I'll tell you right now, I find all the time people come to me and say, I should have listened to you, Rob. So you can learn from my mistakes, or you can repeat my mistakes and learn from them yourself. It's up to you. I'm just trying to help you. Also, guys, check out our trading group today. We've been absolutely crushing it. Even on these red days, our trading group is in big profits. Check it out today. If you don't know how to trade, if you're sitting there going, yeah, Rob, that's fine, but I don't know how to trade. Well, guess what? If you join our trading group, all of our trading courses are free. We walk you through how to do everything. We drop daily trades. I already dropped the trade today, this morning over there. And I walk you through where your profit, your stop losses should be, where your profit taking should be, and so much more, right? We walk you through everything if you're new, and we even help you with BTCC's demo mode, figure out how to use it to learn how to trade without putting your own money at risk. So check it out today, guys. Again, the link is down below. Join me and thousands of other members today. Get the proper help and education that you need to do this properly. Let's just cut through the crap cake here, right? You want to become a multimillionaire in this space. Don't try to shortcut it. Get the proper education, get the proper training from people who've been through multiple bull runs. Do it properly, apply yourself, and I promise you, you will succeed. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.